The international community has amped up its criticism of Japan's review of the Kono Statement. Prosecutors hope to shake Sewol Ferry owner Yoo Byung-un out of hiding with the arrest of his wife this weekend. And wild boars and elks are incurring heavy damage on the nation's crops, but farmers have nowhere to turn for help and compensation. Hello and welcome to News Today on KBS World. It's Tuesday, June 24th. I'm Luke Clary. The international community has amped up its criticism of Japan's review of the Kono Statement. U.S. Daily, The New York Times noted that Japan should not attempt to rewrite history, while the Chinese government has intensified its criticism of Japan as well.
The New York Times made a scathing remark about the Japanese government's attempt to review its 1993 official policy for the wartime sex slavery. In an opinion piece titled Japan's Historical Blinders, the U.S. Daily said, as a democracy and the world's third largest economy, Japan cannot be seen as trying to rewrite its past. The column said Abe has done an injustice to the victims of this war crime by ordering the review of Kono Statement, which admitted to forcing Korean women against their will to serve as sex slaves. It also accused the Japanese prime minister for pandering to narrow nationalist political fringe. The Chinese government has again launched criticism against Japan by saying that evidence is clear that Japan has committed crimes against humanity toward the Asian nations by forcing their women to work in frontline brothels for the Japanese military during the World War II.
日方所谓的调查进一步暴露了他不愿意正视历史，甚至企图淡化或者否认侵略罪行的真实的意图。
Beijing urged Tokyo to uphold its pledge to the international community as delineated in the Kono Statement and assume responsibility for its past atrocities by taking real actions.
The ill-fated Sewol Ferry had 64 surveillance cameras installed inside. A video image storage device was found during a search for missing passengers of the sunken ferry, and the device is believed to contain clues as to why the vessel capsized and sank.
A video image shows the inside of the ill-fated Sewol Ferry before it sank. A surveillance camera is seen on the ceiling of the cafeteria on the third floor. There were 64 surveillance cameras in total installed inside the ferry. Rescuers found a digital video recorder and a laptop computer during a search for missing passengers on June 21st. These items were found near the central information desk on the third floor of the ship. An investigation team looking into the sinking of the ferry will examine these devices and try to restore video files stored within them. If video files are restored, they will help shed more light on how the tragedy took place and what actually happened during the sinking.
진공 상태로 자기 디스크가 들어있는 형태라 가지고 그거를 잘 꺼내가지고 세척을 하고 복구 작업을 거치면은 데이터를 살려낼 수 있습니다.
To prevent any possible alterations of original footage, families of victims have asked to watch investigators restore them with their lawyers present.
휴대전화에 대해서 문제가 많이 제기돼 왔었고 이 부분이 적법 절차가 지켜지지 않고 있다. 이런 문제의식 하에서
At a news conference, families complained about the Coast Guard's mishandling of other video footage taken during the sinking of the ferry.
With the arrest of Yoo Byung-un's wife last weekend, the prosecution now has 7 of the elusive ferry owner's family members in custody. The prosecutors hope that the arrest of his wife will pressure Yoo's associates to divulge his whereabouts or even draw Yoo himself out of hiding.
Yoo Byung-un's wife, Kwon Yoon-ja, is suspected of embezzling nearly $30 million borrowed in church members' name. The prosecution's plan is to first bring charges of breach of trust against her and then question her about the whereabouts of her husband.
중에 옆에서 와서 어머니도 보살펴드리고 회장님은 금수원에 아이 사시면서 장모님 이렇게 모시고 있는 거랑 마찬가지라서 교류가 없다라는 건 좀 별로 신빙성이 없는 얘기인 것 같습니다.
As for Yoo's brother-in-law, former Korean ambassador to the Czech Republic, O. Gabriel, the investigators are analyzing the calls he had made on borrowed phones. O is accused of making local and international calls with the phones borrowed from the woman who allegedly helped Yoo escape and other high-ranking church members. The phones could have been used to contact Yoo's children hiding out overseas. 7 members of the doomed ferry owner's family have been arrested so far, including former Ambassador Oh Gabriel and his wife and Yu's younger brother Byung-ho. Now the only one remaining at large is Yu Byung-hun himself.
This year's first case of sepsis has been reported. Sepsis is a potentially fatal full-body inflammation caused by severe infection, and the latest case has put health officials on notice.
On June 17th, a man in his 50s consumed raw sliced fish at a restaurant in Mokpo, South Jeolla Province. 3 days later, he experienced stomach pain and nausea. No other problems were reported by others who dined with him at the restaurant. The man suffered from hepatocirrhosis, inflammation of the liver. He was later diagnosed with sepsis, caused by the Vibrio vulnificus virus normally found in seafood. This is the first case of sepsis this year.
병어, 갈치찜, 복탕, 장어구이, 장어탕 뭐 여러 가지 하셨는데요. 20시간, 48시간 내에 발병이 되니까.
The number of Vibrio infection cases are often on the rise between June to September. Due to the hot summer weather, the virus multiplies at a rapid rate in warmer sea temperatures. People in their 40s and 50s are more vulnerable to this disease. The fatality rate is 50%. Over the past 5 years, in South Jeolla Province alone, 29 people were infected with the disease and 11 of them died.
균 자체가 살아서 들어오는 거기 때문에 날것으로 많이 먹을 때 여름철에 이제 뭐 어패류 종류를 날로 먹었을 때 그게 몸에 들어와서 감염이 일으켜서 문제가 될 수 있죠.
People with liver disease or weaker immunity are advised to take extra precaution to prevent infection. People with injuries should also stay away from unclean seawater, which may contain the Vibrio virus.
Wild boars and elks are incurring heavy damages on the nation's crops. However, farmers have nowhere to turn for help and compensation because local government prevention and compensation programs are neither feasible nor effective.
This peach orchard has been devastated as if a typhoon had swept through. Branches are broken and unripe, damaged peaches litter the ground. This farmer is speechless as he sees the havoc wreaked by wild boars.
원래 여는 게 문제가 아니고요.明年에 또 하지 나무 새로 숨가야 돼. 그게 내가 답답한 게래요.
A nearby sweet potato field was ravaged by a group of elks. The animals have fed on all the new shoots. In order to receive damage compensation from the local government, farmers have to show that they had taken preventive measures. But they have to pay 40% of the cost of installing electric fences or barbed wires. It only makes financial sense for the farmers of high-profit crops to make that kind of investment.
멧돼지 못 들어오도록 자기가 울타리를 잘해가 농사 짓는다 하면 경제적으로 안 맞잖아요. 투자 대비 수익이 거기 못 따라간단 말입니다.
This is why farmers rarely get compensated for crop damages caused by the wild animals. Even a harmful animal control group operated by the local governments are crippled by various regulations.
야생 동물은 주로 밤으로 다니는데 10시 이전에 총기를 영치시켜야 되기 때문에 굳이 하는데 애로가 많습니다.
Wild animals continue to cause serious damage to crops, but the local government's impractical measures are only aggravating the farmers' problems.
A strange-looking freshwater organism is rapidly spreading in the Gum River. The species is usually found in rivers with poor water quality, and many critics blame the government-driven four-river renovation project under former President Lee Myung-bak for the massive appearance of the species.
Round, jelly-like creatures are floating in the river. Found living on water plants and rocks, the number of these creatures is rapidly increasing. At the bottom of the river, some are as big as watermelons. Upon closer examination, they are soft, mushy, and smelly. They are bryozoans, also known as moss animals. Bryozoans live in nutrient-rich reservoirs and rivers. Subsisting on algae, colonies of bryozoans release poisonous substances which are toxic to fish and may damage the ecosystem.
덩어리가 커지면 그게 썩게 되죠. 부패되면서 생긴 독성 때문에 물고기나 이런 다른 수소생물들이 계속 죽을 수가 있는 원인이 되죠.
Bryozoans first began appearing in the Gum River this spring. Environmental protection authorities claim that the government's Four River renovation project has nothing to do with the recent increase of bryozoans.
올해 작년보다 더 가물고 이제 기상여건이나 이런 것들이 사실은 녹조 발생이 좋은 여건이에요. 네, 그래서 아마 더 늘지 않았나.
However, environmental activists blame the Four River project for the spread of the species.
금강 자체가 정체돼 있고 녹조가 많이 발생하고 있다는 것을 입증하는 증거라고 할 수 있습니다.
Experts are calling on the government to conduct studies on bryozoans and come up with measures to control their numbers.
Imported fish can easily be found at supermarkets these days. They're claiming a larger market share now because of their cheap prices.
This homemaker came to a supermarket chain store to buy some groceries. She spends much time in the fisheries section because her children like fish. But the fish that she has purchased are mostly imported. The Pacific sari is from Taiwan, the mackerel is from the UK, the Atka fish and the flatfish are from the United States, and the hairtail fish is from Senegal.
고르다 보니까 이제 수입도 골고루 좀 들어갔네요. 맛도 이제 괜찮고요. 저렴한 맛으로 많이 좀 먹거든요.
This year's imports of fisheries reported approximately $1.8 billion, which is around $216 million more than during the same period last year. Imports of mackerel have more than doubled. Imports of Pacific sari has surged 30%, while those of the hairtail fish are up to 12%. Domestic salted mackerel costs twice as much as the salted mackerel from the UK. And prices of domestic hairtail fish were nearly 3 times higher than those of the hairtail fish from Senegal. Most of the baby octopus sold in Korea is imported from China because the species is hard to find in domestic waters.
품질이 비슷하거나 조금 떨어져도 수입 수산물이 가격대가 많이 싸기 때문에 수입 수산물을 많이 선호하고 있습니다.
Korea currently imports fisheries from about 50 countries. The market share of imported fisheries in the Korean market is expected to continue to grow because of their cheap prices.
A group of harmonica musicians with disabilities held a concert free of charge and even released an album. Theirs is a heart-moving story of courage and hope.
Lee Jin-hong works at a gym. Whenever he has free time, he likes to play the harmonica. 10 years ago, Lee suffered a stroke. He took up the harmonica as a way to improve the strength of his heart and lungs.
면역력이 약해져서 그런지 그 뒤로 다 이제 막 병이 따라오기 시작했어요. 그게 하모니카가 유일한 낙입니다.
All members of E's club play the harmonica for this same reason. After experiencing sudden illness or accidents, they became disabled. However, they regained hope after hearing the wonderful melodies of the harmonica.
진짜 콩나물 대가리 모르는데 들어와서 많은 친구분들이 많이 격려도 해주고 위로도 해주고 이래서 정말 좋아요.
Learning to play the harmonica was a challenge because the aspiring musicians were often short of breath, but they never gave up and eventually mastered the instrument. Now, their skills are good enough to stage street concerts and perform for free at festivals. Recently, they even released an album 5 years after the founding of their club.
모두가 참여할 수 있는 앨범을 제작해보자라는 취지에서 진행을 하게 되었습니다.
Members of this harmonica club entitled Sound of Hope were able to start afresh after taking up the instrument. They hope their music provides inspiration to others with disabilities.
They say that anything can be delivered in Korea, but here are some unusual delivery services providing you with products and experiences you may have never thought possible. This place is supposed to be a landmark of Gwangju, but nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. Until, out of nowhere, a truck backs into an alley.
홍지호텔이라고 이동형 홀입니다. 그 호텔의 그 부분을 도심 틈새 한가운데에서 주변 사람들과 소통이 돼서 하나로 이루어질 수 있다는 게 장점인 것 같습니다.
The truck's back doors open into a small hotel room. Passers-by stop in their tracks to peek into a miniature hotel.
한 그래도 싸면 2만 원?
이거 공짜예요? 진짜요? 그냥 저희도 이렇게 잘 수 있어요? 수습할 수 있어요? 아니, 봐봐.
Yes, it's free. This Hotel on Wheels is a project sponsored by the Gwangju Biennale Foundation. The room has been receiving guests since last year. This guest has made a reservation for an overnight stay. And although the room appears a bit cramped, there's more than enough space for her to sleep, eat, and wash up. Security is also an important part of this hotel room, and there are, of course, a TV, an internet phone, and Wi-Fi connection.
여기는 독립적인 공간이어서 혼자 쉴 수 있고 나만의 자유로운 시간이 구성되는 것 같아요.
Since the truck can be parked anywhere in Gwangju, it can take guests close to the city's many tourist sites. Another vehicle brings an interesting experience closer to you. This van carries something that children of all ages might enjoy. Inside the van are a variety of animals.
40여 마리를 다양하게 만져볼 수 있는 이동 동물원입니다.
If you reserve ahead, the portable zoo comes to where you are. The caretaker pays extra attention to the animal's condition as well.
건강 상태가 좀 양호하고 아이들이 만져도 위험하지 않은 안전을 고려해서 그런 친구들만 만날 수 있게 하고 있어요. 여러분 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 손도 막 들으면서 해야죠. 조그만한 쥐를 만날 겁니다. 마우스.
Another good thing about the zoo on wheels is that children can interact directly with the animals. In ordinary zoos, children can barely see the creatures, let alone touch them, unless adults hoist them up high. But here they can see the animals up close and even touch them as much as they want. The youngsters seem a little scared when the zookeeper comes out with a squealing pig, the loudest one of them all. But they muster up their courage and even get their hands on a snake. Roughly 40 different animals, from amphibians to mammals to arthropods, are brought to this kindergarten. Thanks to the moving zoo service, some of these children overcame their fear of animals and satisfied their curiosity. Even the teacher seems to have had a great time. What did she think about the movable zoo service?
저희가 동물을 관람을 하거나 그러면 과천이나 또 이런 용인이라든가 한정되어 있는 장소로 해서 차량을 이용해야 되기 때문에 다양한 동물을 이렇게 데리고 오셔가지고 아이들하고 접할 수 있어서 훨씬 용이한 것 같습니다.
This time, a big truck enters a schoolyard and opens up to host a special event. This truck/classroom is here to teach these students proper nutrition. Will the classroom in a truck be successful in changing the children's eating habits?
직접 식재료를 손으로 만져보고 직접 요리 과정을 체험하기 때문에 더 흥미를 유발하고 유도하고 있습니다.
If they get involved in cooking, their interest in food may grow as well. Today's menu is the tortilla wrap, filled with chicken and assorted vegetables. Most of these children dislike vegetables, but they began changing their minds as they make their own tortilla wraps. They may not be skillful in cutting vegetables and grilling meat, but at the end, the products don't look so bad. Even the students who said they hated vegetables take big bites out of their creations. That's the power of cooking.
저는 원래 야채를 싫어하는데 친구들이랑 같이 만들고 다른 거에다 좀 곁들여 먹으니까 야채가 좀 맛있고 상큼한 것 같아요.
You don't have to drive for hours to get to the places you want to go. Just place a call and you will get to enjoy these experiences in the comfort of your own neighborhood. Now we'll take a look at the markets, followed by the world weather. And that's it for this edition of News Today. We'll see you again at the same time tomorrow. Have a great day.